Hello everyone, welcome back to Frugalerish. So I got this Lord of the Rings scene boxes from Cards and Hobbies for 519 ringgit. So today I'm gonna open all these 4 scene boxes. Let's go. Okay, the first one that we're gonna open is this Aragorn at Helm's Deep. So inside this box you get 6 scene cards, 3 set boosters, 6 art cards, and a display easel. So the 6 of the cards will be like this. You get the 3 set boosters. So let's open this. As you can see, this gold color. Okay, so this is like the front face of the box. So there's 6 slots here for you to put the cards. So it's like a standing calendar. So here we have, it's like this. So there's a card like this. Alright, so it looks like this. Let's open this. So the 3 set boosters, the art cards, and the scene cards. Let's open up the art cards first. Right, Anduril, Naso Reforged, Aragorn, which is the main character at the front box and the front face of the box. Okay, so 6 of them. So that's the borderless scene cards, and these are the art cards. 6 of them as well. And let's open this up. Let's open up these as well. Okay, a land card. A rare Frodo Soren Spain. Another rare Field of Galadriel. A lot of black in this pack. A rare, the Balrog during Spain. I think I got 3 forests. There's a lot of greens. A rare Fall of Kandros. All rares. And the second one I'm gonna open up is Gandalf in the Pelennor Fields. Just back of the box. Gonna stand here, and we're just gonna open up the packs and the cards. Three boosters. That's weird. I have 2 sets. Is this correct? That's weird. It's okay. Let's open up these scene cards. You get all these foils, borderless foils. Gandalf. And let's open up the packs. Forest again. Alright, a rare Isildur's Fateful Strike. Oh, and something from the list. Caven Harpy, just a common one. Forest again, but it's a foil this time. A rare Scroll of Isildur. Something from the list, a rare Reshape. It's all rares. Come on, give me something more. Forest again. Alright, a rare Minas Tirith. Oh, there's 2. The normal version and the borderless version. And a rare foil Smeagol Helpful Guide. The ring. Okay, the third one, the Flight of the Witch King. Yes. There's only one set. I guess the previous one was a mistake. A manufacturing error, I guess. Mordor. Okay, let's open up the packs. Finally, something that's not forest, a swamp. Erase Meagle again. Press the enemy. An island. Assault on Osgiliath. Sorry, I'm not a fan. I don't watch I didn't watch the Lord of the Rings, so the pronunciation of the names might be incorrect. Mithril Code. Alright, the One Ring, nice. Finally, something more than a rare. A rare from the list, Eidolon of the Great River. The last one, the Might of Galadriel. I think this one looks the most flashy. Let's take a look at all four. Oops. Okay, the last one. Galadriel, Light of Valinor. Forest again. How many forests? Alright, a rare Shelob, Child of Ungoliant. One from the list, Him to Thresh. Last two. A Plains foil. The rare would be Mithril Coat. And a foil rare, Elven Chorus, and another rare from the list, Pentavus. Last but not least, Forest again to end the packs. Forge anew and reshape. As usual, do check out my Shopee page to see some of the cards that I'll be selling from here. Thanks for watching, see ya!